Hey, this is a video showing how to operate the thermal scanner, handheld thermal scanner, model IT-122. To operate it, there's a trigger in the front. You press it one time and it already turns on and it takes a temperature right away. You don't have to hold it down. Right now there's an indicator in the upper left hand corner. Let me see if I can darken this video. In the upper left hand corner shows body, and if you want to change it, the set button on the side, you press that and it changes to surface temperature. You don't want that. You want body temperature. And then if you press and hold the F button, the set button for a long time, it takes you to the settings menu. Click all the way through the F4 and it turns off. So again, turn on the the thermometer, hold down the set button for a long time, takes you into the F1 mode. This is the calibration for the temperature. The next mode is to show the high limit, which is 100.4. That's what the CDC is considering the fever temperature of COVID. F3 allows you to toggle. Again, these toggle switches are the plus and minus. You're able to toggle now between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Press set again, it goes to the F4, which is the very last one. And this is the choice of doing a beep sound or not. You can turn it off or you can turn it back on. I think this is for privacy settings. Again, you press the F4 one more time and it should turn off. Once again, the unit is off. Turn it to operate it. You just hold it down and you point it, and it's already set at body. And it already took my temperature of 98.1. Now, what's also important to realize is that there's also a record. So if you press the plus minus in a regular mode, it tells you what the first reading was, the second reading, the third reading, the fourth reading. These are all the test readings I was doing at home to figure out how to operate the device. You can see that it jumped to surface temp because I didn't change the setting to body temp yet. There I was starting to toggle and understand how to operate the thermostat, the thermometer. And then it ends its last record at 32, and then it starts all over at 01. I'm pretty sure there's a reset button somewhere. I tried to take out the batteries and put them back in, but that did not reset it. The temperatures are still in record. Okay, that's all I got to say. They do take 2 AAA batteries. Make sure you pay attention to polarities. This is a very weak door, meaning that the plastic tabs here will break very easily if you're not careful. You want to close the door, extend it beyond the unit, and then slide it in. And same thing to open up. Again, I don't see a reset button to delete the memory, but the instructions were not very clear on that at all. The instructions also don't cover the F settings, F1, 2, 3, and 4. I hope this video is helpful.